Hi guys, so in today's video I wanted to do all my spring summer wardrobe essentials, everything that I have gotten to put into my wardrobe to make it more spring summer appropriate. And I got a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna start off with a croppy top. This crop top is from Marshall's. This is from the brand Sim and Sam. I got it in a size small. I love the fact that the straps are adjustable. The waistband of this crop top is also adjustable. It's super stretchy, and I love this little ruffle detail at the bottom. If you have a little bit of fupa but you still want to wear a crop top, I feel like this is going to be perfect for you. So this is something that I have to add to my wardrobe for spring summer, and it's also in the best color for spring summer, which is white. So this is a silver corset. I got this from Amazon, and this was under, I think, $20, and this is in a metallic color. And the reason why I got this metallic silver corset is because silver and gold metallics are definitely going to be trending this spring and summer, and I have a metallic silver shoes that I needed a top to wear with, so I got this corset. I love a good corset because you can wear it under stuff, you can wear it over stuff, and it can cinch your waist in and give you a beautiful look. So that is the next must-have for your spring wardrobe, a good metallic top, whether that be silver or gold, whichever one you prefer. The next thing I think you definitely should have in your wardrobe is a knit top. This one is from AliExpress. This is super revealing. If you don't want something that's this revealing, I feel like Zara has some super nice knit tops that is trendy but also you have more coverage. And I got it in this bright pink color because I feel like pink is still going to be trending for the spring summer this year. And the next thing I got is a corset. And the reason why I feel like a corset is vital, and this is a different corset from the metallic one that I have in a new color. This is in a stretchy material, and this you can dress it up and you can dress it down. This is from Pretty Little Thing. I would definitely say go a size down if you want it to really cinch you in and cinch your waist in. I absolutely love the cut of this. I love how it looks dressed up, dressed down, and I feel like this is stretchy, so it is not going to be too tight or too restricting for you, because a lot of corset tend to be like this, have the movable boning in it, so you can wear this out to eat and you will still be fine. You're not going to be super uncomfortable. The next essentials I think you need for spring, summer are some regular tops. So these Bandeau tops are trending, and they're trending because they have the zip at the side. They are from Zara. I also found some from AliExpress that is great quality. So this black one is from AliExpress. And then this white one is from Zara that I bought. You can see the Zara tag on here. This is actually not white, this is a off-white, this is a ivory color, and I feel like this is going to be essential because you can wear it with anything. Again, you can wear it with shorts, you can wear it with a skirt, you can wear it with jeans. What is a essential video without some nice rib top? Okay, I was going to get some rib top from Zara, but their prices were a bit steep. So they were like between $20 to $32, and then I remembered that I have some knit tops, some rib tops from Target from last year that I absolutely love, that I have washed time and time and again, and they're still holding up strong and they didn't break the bank. So all of these tops that you see right here are from Target, and they're $8 a pop, and I got all mine in a size small. If you want yours to fit a bit more snug, I would definitely say go down at least 2 sizes. I got these in smalls, but I could have gotten a extra small and I would have been fine. I'm also going to try these on so you'll see them on. I actually wore one of these recently in my vlog video, and it was this one, this pink one with some shorts. I don't remember what shorts was it. I wore these with some shorts, some jogger shorts, my pink bag, heart bag, and some sneakers, and I absolutely love the look. It came out amazing. And this is the muscle tank version. I got this in green and black. As you guys can see, I'm adding a lot of color into my wardrobe. Green and black for the muscle tank version. These are like my favorite cut for tanks. They have the muscle one, and they also have the square neck one. This pink one is in a square neck if you are more of a square neck girl. And then these are another set. These have sleeves on them, and I got this in gray, white, and I also have it in black, and they're amazing quality. Like I said, I have some knit tops, and this is from A New Day, other colors from last year that I have been wearing, and they still hold up. One of them actually got a little bit of bleach on it, and I still wear that thing because it's super comfortable. I feel like for spring, summer, a good see-through, a good tulle is what they call them, top is essential, whether that be a regular black one like this or a colorful one like this. This one is from Zara. I absolutely love the cut and the colorway. And then this regular black one is from Shein. It was super duper affordable. I also got this pink lightning bolt one, also from Shein. So I feel like a nice see-through top is going to be essential. You can wear this with a nice bra underneath it or a bralette, especially the simple ones like this. There's something on top of it. Okay, you can have on a nice dress that is a bandeau dress, and you can wear a nice sheer top underneath it, and you're not going to be too hot. Is a white button down. You can throw this on with absolutely anything. You can throw this on with jeans, you can throw this on with shorts, you can throw this on over your swimsuit. I got this one with a jeans top that I'll show you guys later in the jeans section, but I love this top because of the slit at the side. It has a cut down the side, which make it very different from all the other white button downs that's in my wardrobe, and I love that a lot. Another wardrobe essential is a nice silk or satin top. I feel like this is going to look absolutely amazing in spring, summer, because you don't want to be too hot, but you can dress this up, dress it down. This one is from Zara, and I absolutely love this top. I love the colorway. Amazing, absolutely amazing. And then another essential is a good nice stretchy bodysuit. This one is from Shein, and this is the Back to Basics, and I got this in a large. I definitely could have gotten this in a medium. I feel like these tend to run a little bit big. I don't know if it's because I'm losing a bunch of weight now, why that is extra big. This little accessory item right here is going to be essential. Let me take it off. So this little flower detail thing that you wear around your neck right here is going to be essential for spring summer. I feel like a lot of companies have been doing these little choker flower detail, and I feel like it's good to have at least one in your wardrobe to spruce up like a simple outfit and take the outfit where you want it. So this actually came with a dress from Fashion Nova, which I'm sure you guys will see, but I will link some that I've seen that I love. Zara have some absolutely amazing ones, and I feel like this is going to be essential in your wardrobe for spring summer. And final top I have to show you guys is this top right here. This is from Shein. It comes also with that white button down that I showed you before, and it comes with a belt. If you guys don't know anything, spring summer denim is on trend. Everyone is doing denim, and I got this one in a medium from Shein. I love the fact that the back have this stretchy detail, and it comes with a belt. This denim shirt went with so many denim things in my wardrobe. I don't know if it's just because I love this shade of denim and I have a lot of items this shade of denim, but it went so well with so many things. I've worn this multiple times now. I wore it with a pants. I'll insert pictures, and I also wore it with a skirt. Insert pictures, and it looked absolutely amazing. So if you want to try the denim trend, especially as far as tops is concerned, and you don't know where to start with a nice top like this from Shein that's super affordable. I find that a lot of the denim trends now, especially the tops, yeah, and even the bottoms, are getting a little bit on the pricey side. They're getting super duper expensive. I don't know if it's because it's trending now or what it is, but another thing that is going to be essential for spring summer is your maxi dresses. This one is also from Shein. These are actually like my favorite dresses now. I got this in a medium. I got a new one in a small, and I feel like the small fit a lot better since I lost weight. But it's in a nice pink color. I've worn this time and time again. I wore this as a top, I wore this as a dress, I worn it in multiple different ways. I'll insert pictures, and every single time it's a hit, and every single time it looks amazing. So definitely get your hands on a nice maxi dress. I love this one because it fits, it hugs the body, and it's also in a knit material, so you're going to look absolutely amazing. Okay, before I get into more denim stuff, I want to show you guys these shorts. So I got me some linen shorts, and these are from Target. They're again from the A New Day brand. These are in a size 6, and they were $22. I got it in white. I'm gonna move the white because it's gonna wash me out. And I got it in this nice bright pink color. These are linen shorts, and I love the fact that they have the faux pockets on the back. It's gonna give you a little bit of butt action, and it has actual real pockets on the side, and the material is super nice and affordable. $22, you can't beat it. I feel like you're going to definitely need a linen shorts or linen pants in your wardrobe for spring. Let me adjust the boobage. The boobage is coming out for spring summer. You can wear these out to eat. You can wear them over your swimsuit. I also love the fact that the back is a stretchy material. I'm normally an 8 and I went down to a 6 because baby, the stretchy material at the back and then the clasp detail, it just sucked me in. So I'm happy that I got it in a 6, and you can try them on when you're in store, so that's amazing also. So let's get into the denim trend because everybody and their mama is doing denim. So the first item I got is this denim skirt. This was one of the first denim items I got. This along with that sheeting top when the trend just came about. It's going to be like a birthday outfit for me, and this is from Revised Los Angeles. I got this in a large. Let me look at the size. I got this in a extra large, and this is how it looks. It also comes with a big R on the side, and this is a detail that got me. A lot of people are doing denim dresses, but this little side detail just gave it a little bit oomph, a little bit of and made it look spectacular, not just like a regular denim dress, which is why I got it. Like this dress, you can't tell me nothing that this dress is not giving. And then this side detail, excuse me, everything. The items that I have picked up, because I feel like you probably already have these in your wardrobe, so you won't need to go out and buy them. Or if you're going to buy into these trends, I would suggest you go thrifting. A good denim jeans. I'm sure a lot of you guys have a good pair of denim jeans that you love. Mine is from Fashion Nova. It's in a size 15. It is a boot cut denim pants, and I absolutely love this pants. It looks great on my butt. It fits. I do think the waist area need a little bit of tailoring, but absolutely love these. These don't have a lot of stretch, but I will link them for you guys. So that is a essential. I feel like a good boyfriend shorts are going to be essential, and these are from Wild Fable, and I got this for last year from Target, and I see Target with some amazing denim shorts. So if you're looking for affordable denim shorts, definitely check out Target. They have regular denim, they have white denim, black denim. They have the denim trend on lock as far as shorts are concerned. I got that one from Target. And then denim skirts. So this skirt right here, I got it from Goodwill. I thrifted it. I think it cost like $3. And the reason why I got this skirt is because it actually comes with shorts underneath it. It's not too short, which is why I love it. And I love the fact that it comes with shorts. I wore this with my denim top. I'll insert more pictures, and it absolutely look amazing together. Even though they're not like spot on perfect denim matches, they look amazing together. And that's another thing, your denim don't have to match exactly for you to go and do these trends. Is the denim maxi skirts. I got this skirt from last year before the denim craze and everybody were doing denim maxi skirts. I got this one from Shein, and it is amazing. I love the fact that it has the buttons. You can wear it to I can wear it to the side, I can wear it to the front, I can button it all the way, or I can leave it out and show a bit of leg, show a bit of skin, and you're good to go. So those are my essentials that I think you need to add in your wardrobe for spring summer to make sure you're on brand, you're on trend, and you're comfortable. And make sure you add some color and sprinkle some good vibes into your wardrobe. And with that being said, what is your spring summer clothing essential list? Comment it in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.